to be able to make money online using the help of AI, you've clicked on the right video, because what I'm going to do is show you 3 of the best ways, in my personal opinion, if you want to put yourself on the path of being able to earn an extra $300, $500, $1,000 every single week. Now, I'm someone that's making money with AI in a number of different ways right now as we speak, and I'm able to generate thousands of dollars every single day by doing so. So if you're able to stick around for this entire video from start to finish, you're definitely going to learn something that's going to change your financial situation. Now let's jump straight into one of the first ways that you can use AI as a beginner, which is to use it to help you sell an educational digital product. So one of the best types of products to sell on the internet is a digital one, because there's no manufacturing cost, there's no labor cost, there's no import fees, shipping fees, or anything like that. And there's a certain way that you can use AI when it comes to helping you with the entire process. For example, you're going to be able to come onto this AI tool over here called Gamma.app. It's completely free for you to try. It's completely free for you to use. So all you need to do is just click on sign up for free. And once you get to this point, it's going to be able to now help you produce a digital product in the form of a presentation. So there's going to be multiple different slides, and all you need to do is enter a simple prompt into this box over here. Now I'm going to come back to this in a moment and show you exactly how this works. But for you to figure out what is the best type of digital product for you to sell, what you can do is just go over to ChatGPT. And once you're on ChatGPT, you're going to be able to ask it something simple like, what are the 10 best niches for an educational digital product that I can sell online? And then click on send. And straight away, as you can see, it's gone to work to come back with all of these different niches that I'm going to be able to do a little bit more research into when it comes to producing my digital product. So for example, we got things like health and fitness, career development, entrepreneurship, language learning. Now, the one that I'm going to move forward with in this video is personal finance. So what I would advise you to do from this point is just copy whatever one just like this. Then go over to Google Trends, type in the niche as well as the word course, and see if there's people going onto Google to actively search for information or a course about the niche that you're interested in. And I'm sure that you guys can clearly see by looking at this chart that there's been more and more interest every single year, ever since 2012, of people going onto Google to search for a personal finance course. So this could be a great opportunity for me to sell this type of digital product. So just heading back over to Gamma.app, I'm just going to type in this prompt. I'm going to say, make a presentation which will be sold as a digital course to educate people on personal finance tips to reduce debt, as well as help them save and invest more money. Something like that, something simple, something straight to the point, and Gamma.app is going to be able to take care of the rest. All you're going to need to do is pick a theme, which is going to be the color code for what your course is going to be about. So I'm just going to select this one over here. I'm going to leave it on this one and then click on generate. And literally just like that, as you can see right before our very eyes, it's producing the digital product that I'm going to be able to sell. It's structuring everything in a step-by-step format. It's putting all of the graphics, all of the images, it's done all of the hard work, and it's also put all of the information. Literally just like that, I've got the foundation of a personal finance course that I'm going to be able to sell on the internet in a number of different ways. Now, of course, this is just the initial thing that you need to do. You need to go through it. You need to, update anything. You can remove any image, update any text. But using Gamma.app when it comes to creating an educational digital product, this is definitely something that's worth doing. Now, the question that most of you probably have right now is, Sam, how exactly am I going to be able to sell the digital product that I've just made? And there's so many different ways that you can do it. You can go onto Teachable, you can list it on Etsy if you want. There's so many different places, but what you can also do is use Hostinger when it comes to creating a website that's going to act as a funnel. So I'm going to leave a direct link to Hostinger in my description down below. By using that link, you're going to be able to get up to 80% off the AI website builder. It's going to be able to build a website really quick, and you're going to be able to list whatever product that you want for sale for you to be able to get the website ranked on Google so that you can drive traffic to your product so you can sit back and earn money. So all you got to do is just click on start now, and it's going to take no more than 3 minutes for you to set your account up. But once you've done that and you've logged in, it's going to take you over to the AI website builder. Literally all you got to do is just enter the brand name for whatever you want your website to be about. and a short description of what you're trying to build. So as you can see over here, I've asked it to make a website where the sole purpose is to sell a digital product. I've given it information on what type of digital product it's going to be. You can pause the screen right now, read exactly what it says. And with Hostinger, you could also select if you want it to be an online store. So I've just selected that, and now I'm going to click on create a website. And there we go. The website has now been built. Everything looks well structured. Everything looks perfect, ready for me to start promoting this website. And of course, the way that Hostinger works is that you're going to be able to list your digital product for sale in this section over here. Of course, you can remove all of these different placeholders. It's simple to do. If I just click on continue, it's going to be in this section that you're going to be able to make all the necessary changes. So the digital product that you made, all you're going to do is click on add product. And then from there, you're going to see it on your website, where you're now going to be able to, again, start promoting it in a number of different ways using social media platforms. But if you want more information on a step-by-step format as to how you can get started with this side hustle in a lot more details, then put in the comments down below, do the digital product video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But this now brings me on to one of the second ways that you can use AI when it comes to starting a side hustle, which is to use it when it comes to producing monetizable video content. Now, in the day and age that we're living in right now, video content is definitely taking off. We've got platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, but one of the #1 video platforms out there that's paying creators a decent amount of money is YouTube. YouTube is actually the second biggest website in the entire world. Billions of people go onto it on a daily basis. And the beauty of YouTube is that you don't necessarily need to start a channel where you're sitting in front of the camera like what I'm doing right now. There's ways that you can actually use AI when it comes to starting a faceless channel that can put you in a position of being able to earn a monthly paycheck that gets paid into your bank account directly from Google. And I want to walk you through some of the foundational steps that you need to know when it comes to using AI to help you get the foundation of your YouTube channel built in the right way. So one of the first tools that you're going to sign up to is vidIQ. Don't worry, you can sign up for a 30-day trial just for $1 by using the link in my description down below. The reason why I recommend signing up to vidIQ is because once you've created your account, you're going to be able to come over here to this AI chat section, and this is going to be somewhat of a coach that you're going to be able to have a conversation with. So let's say if you're someone that didn't know what type of YouTube channel you wanted to start, you're going to be able to come over here and just say, what are the 10 most profitable niches for a brand new faceless YouTube channel? And then click on send. And just like that, as we can see, it's come back with all of these different topics that I can choose from. Now, the benefit of using something like vidIQ is because they are one of the biggest YouTube softwares out there. They've got so much data that's going to be able to point you in the right direction when it comes to starting a new channel. So you can continue this conversation. You can ask it so many different things. But for the sake of this video, let's say if I wanted to move forward with the travel niche, I'm going to be able to now copy it just like this and come over to this tool over here called Outliers, then paste travel in there just like that. And for those of you that's not really sure of what Outliers is, you've never seen this feature before, the way that it works is that it's going to be able to show you breakout videos that have done well depending on what keyword you type in. So if you're struggling to think of video ideas for your brand new channel, this is definitely a tool that you want to consider using because it's going to give your first initial videos the best chance of succeeding. But let me show you exactly how it works. If I just click on filters over here, I'm going to be able to filter it so that vidIQ only shows me breakout videos from channels that have, let's say, no more than 10,000 subscribers. And I also want to make sure that the video was published in the last 3 months, ideally last month, but let's say last 3 months. And then I'm just going to click on apply. And just like that, we can see that there's these type of videos that are doing well, wonders of Scotland, wonders of Canada, wonders of the planet, where it's faceless videos that no one's talking, it's AI generated, but yet they're able to get tens of thousands of views in a few days. So of course, from this point, you're going to go through the process of setting up your YouTube channel, coming up with a brand name, coming up with a profile image. I'm not going to bore you with all those details, but when it comes to actually producing an AI generated video, the tool that you're going to use is InVideo AI. Now, this is a tool that I speak about a lot on this channel because it's really intuitive, it's really quick, it's really easy when it comes to doing this AI side hustle. So what you got to do is create your account. I'm going to leave a direct sign up link to InVideo AI where you can create a free account in the description down below. Once you've created your account and you've logged in, this is the next page that you're going to see. And it's going to be in this box where you can now enter whatever type of video that you want to make. So I'm just going to say that I wanted to make a video titled 10 Best Places to See in Africa. I'm going to say to make it around 3 minutes. Normally I would want it to be more than 12 minutes, 13 minutes, but because I'm trying to do this really quick, I'm going to say I want the video to be 3 minutes and I want it to be engaging and fun to watch. I'm just going to keep it like that. Of course, you can add more information if you want, but I'm just going to keep it simple and then click on generate a video. Okay, perfect. And literally within 1 minute, 2 minutes max, it was able to come back with this fully edited video that you can see on the screen. So it's got an AI voice, it's got, video overlays, and the video has been completely edited. The good thing about using InVideo AI when it comes to doing this is that you're going to be able to produce multiple different videos and schedule them far into the future. So you don't really have to do all the work when it comes to starting a faceless channel, as long as you're doing the right research when it comes to knowing what videos you should make, and you're able to be consistent when it comes to publishing videos on a regular schedule. Being successful with the side hustle isn't going to be difficult. But swiftly moving on to one of the next ways that you can use AI to help you make money in the laziest way possible, which is to help you get started with an e-commerce brand. Now, building up an e-commerce brand was actually the initial way that I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and live a life of freedom. So an e-commerce business is basically where you're selling products to people on the internet that want to buy those products. It's one of the most simplistic ways to make money online, because if you're able to find products that you know are selling well, and you're able to put those products in front of the right customer that's searching for those products, you're going to be able to generate sales even when you're fast asleep. Now, there's so many different ways that you can build up an e-commerce brand, but the way in which you can use AI to help you is to use this AI store builder to help you when it comes to building up a Shopify store. Now, the good thing about Shopify is that you're able to start an e-commerce brand literally within a few minutes. There's no limitations, there's no sales limits or anything like that. You're going to be able to list whatever product that you want. You're going to be able to design your store in whatever way that you want. And you can also use the dropshipping method, which means that you don't need to ship out the products yourself. Using this AI store builder is definitely one of the laziest ways to get started with an e-commerce brand, because it takes no more than a few minutes when it comes to getting it up and running. You just need to complete the process when it comes to, telling the AI store builder what type of store you want to build. It's going to make sure that your store is loaded with winning products, and it's also going to make sure that your store is optimized for both mobile phone and desktop. There is, of course, going to be more that goes into making sure that you've built your e-com brand in the right way, but this is a great way to get started because it just takes away a lot of the headache. Now, I've got another video coming out real soon when it comes to the step-by-step process as to what you need to know when it comes to building an e-commerce brand with this AI builder. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss that video. But this now brings me on to one of the final ways that you can use AI when it comes to helping you make money on the internet, which is to use it to help you build up an AI affiliate system. And this might sound really complicated, but it's definitely one of the laziest ways of being able to make money, because you're not going to have to sell your own product. You're going to be selling a product that already exists, and you're going to be given a unique affiliate link, and you're going to use AI when it comes to helping you drive traffic to that affiliate link so that you can earn something called an affiliate commission. There's so many different sites that you can sign up to when it comes to you becoming an affiliate. We've got things like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, Partnerstack.com, Impact, we've got Digistore as well. And there's a certain strategy that you can use when it comes to utilizing the power of AI to help you build up traffic to your unique link so that you can earn a passive income. Now, I don't want this video to be longer than what it already is. So what I'm going to do is leave a full step-by-step video right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this, because in that video, I break down all of the details that you need to know when it comes to being successful with an AI affiliate system as a complete beginner. If you've enjoyed this video, press the like button. I really appreciate that. Again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll catch you guys in that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there,